Hi everybody. Oh gosh, my light seems bright today. um, I'm just here to share some things I've been making. I made a birthday card for my husband's niece, and I just wanted to come on and show you real quick. And it is a real kind of busy though. I used paper from it's from this paper pad from DCWV. I've had this in my stash forever, and her favorite colors are blue. So I took pieces of the paper and I layered it up. I love this butterfly and this key. And then this is an image that I got off of Pinterest. And this is just a birthday card to my husband's niece. So I downloaded the image. I didn't even color it. I cut it. I printed out several sheets of it. So I laid one down and then I fussy cut one out, pop dot it, and stickled it a little bit. I added a blue bling in the center of her bow. I added some washi tape because of the key here. I had it on my desk, and I added H and B for happy birthday, and there's one of those gold stickers that says hooray. Added some blue bling on the side here and over here, and I called it a day. I really like how this card turned out. I posted this on my Instagram, so if you want to see it in more detail, you can. But that was the first thing I made today. I'm on a roll, thanks to Nida from Nida's Creations. I'm moving my coffee to the side. Then I made some teacher's gift. Now, I've made these packets before. I think it was last year, in fact. And it's just cocoa packets. And it has Swiss Miss hot chocolate and a candy cane. And then I added a Target card. So what this is a A2 size card. It's just a 4.5 by 5 4.25 by 5.5 cardstock, right? You cut it in half from an 8.5 by 11. Then what I did is I measured an inch from the top and I marked it, and then I measured from this top to 2 inches down and I marked it, and then I trimmed it off in a diagonal. That's all I did. I didn't do not too much measuring. I added this paper that I had in my stash, and all it says is Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas in green and red. I am on this kick of pom-pom trims this year. I have a ton of it. I think I bought like 2 or 3 packs from Target of this pom-pom trim, and I'm trying to use it up because I have so much of it. I added one of my finger bows. Here's a flat back pearl, and then I stamped out this teeny tiny stamp, and it's from I think it's called Lily of the Valley. Oh gosh, you're getting a glare. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Yeah, here we go. It's a UK company that I got. Gosh, it's been like 3-4 years ago, and I think they have this digitally. So if you guys are interested, they have it. You don't have to buy the stamp, but I had already bought the stamp before they turned it into digital stamps. And what I did, I just glued the bottom of the card and up the side here, but I also stapled it because, when you're putting stuff in the pockets, and I'm not very patient. It, it came off, so I stapled it with my tiny attacher from Tim Holtz. And this is going to be their little gifts, teacher gifts for 2018. So yeah, I did three. We did two teachers. Now my kids are in middle school and they have 8 teachers, and I told them to pick, you know, one teacher out of 8 of them. Well, no, 7 of them. And then I have one for the bus driver because, my daughter's been going on the bus since 6th grade and she's already 8th grade now. Oh my God. So that is it, guys. I just wanted to come on real quick and share what I was creating. And also, if I do not come back on, I forgot next week is already Christmas. Can you believe it? I want to wish everybody here on YouTube and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I probably won't be back on until the beginning of the year. So have a safe holiday season. Blessings to all, and I'll see you next year, guys. Bye.